No, it's not Santa. It's Uncle Chris.
What you got cooking smells so good. Everyone's looking.
Hey nieces and nephews, it's Uncle Chris. And as you saw in the first video, I did a New Year's Eve grocery haul, $41. And I'm gonna show you how you have a New Year's Eve party for that $41, which includes champagne. Okay, so first I want to start off with the easiest one, then we'll go to the more difficult, which isn't difficult at all because they're all easy and I wanted to keep it that way for you. I got my shrimp here in this bowl for my shrimp cocktail, and I'm gonna show you how we do that. Now I've only got 4 shrimp in here because I'm just showing you how to do it. But you use the whole bag, all right? So the first thing we're gonna do is get you a closer look. We're gonna start with our shrimp cocktail. And this is so simple, but so tasty. Now I've only got 4 shrimp in here, like I said, because I'm just showing you. You use the whole bag. So put your shrimp in your bowl. Take some lemon. Cover the shrimp, because this is gonna be our marinade, okay? Make sure they're really good and mixed. Now, take you some black pepper. Go over top of that. Do not add salt to seafood. It has already got salt in it. After all, it came out the sea. Now, we're gonna set this to the side and let it marinate while we fix our other hors d'oeuvres. Now I've got some cream cheese. It's at room temperature, okay? I'm just gonna kind of soften it up a little bit more. Get it ready so that I can put the other ingredients in it, okay? I'm just chopping it up a little bit. Now, what I wanna do, I wanna take my imitation crab meat and I'm gonna chop it up. Chop it as fine as you can, because you want crab meat in every bite of your crab rangoon. You ever go to a place and you order crab rangoon and there's hardly any crab in it? It's just cheese. Well, this one ain't gonna be like that. Put this in a blender on low, okay? All right. We're gonna chop us up some green onion as fine as we can. I'm gonna incorporate that too. Then we're gonna put in some of our spices. Now, you can double this recipe if you wanna make more, but this makes a pretty good amount. You can use 2 packs of cream cheese and put as much artificial crab or green onions in as you want. But trust me, this makes a lot. All right, let's put these on in. And now, we're gonna mix them up. Now that I've got this all mixed together, I'm gonna add in our spices. You know, you could use this as a Christmas hors d'oeuvre too. It's got the Christmas colors in there. Ain't it? Now I'm going to put in 2 teaspoons of sugar. Also, before you start making this, make sure your cream cheese is room temperature. That makes it easier to mix. I'm going to put in some cracked black pepper. I didn't take the top off. So there goes the pepper. Lord have mercy. There's a blooper for y'all. I'm gonna put in some garlic, because this is an Asian dish. I'm gonna mix this up real good, you all. And then I'm gonna Ooh. Set it to the side for just 1 second while we make our next one. All right. Let me taste this filling just to make sure it's right. I might want a little more crab in there. Just because I can. I'm gonna mix this up and we're gonna go to our guacamole. Cut your avocados in half, remove the pits. Take a spoon and it comes right out. See that spoon and it comes right on out of there. This is so easy, I'm telling you. And this is just 2 avocados, you all, just 2. And it makes so much. And I'm gonna show you a trick to your guacamole you're gonna like. We're gonna put in a little bit of garlic. 1 pack of sazon. I'm just using half a pack because I've only got 2 avocados. Okay. But if you use 4 or 5 or even 6, use the whole pack. We're gonna take some lime. We're gonna squeeze it over. Then, take a little bit of salsa of your choice. Put that in. I'm using the red, but you can use the green. Hey, do your thing. Yes, my guacamole isn't going to be exactly green, but that's all right. It'll taste fantastic. Oh yeah. Magnificent. Now, I'm going to do 2 things. Make our crab rangoon and make our tortilla chips for our guacamole and set it up. Let's go. You're going to need a cup of water to wet your finger, some wonton wrappers, which you can find in the Asian section. They have it refrigerated. Your dip, of course. Your filling. Fill your wonton wrapper with some filling and wet all the edges. These acts like the glue to hold it together. Corner to corner to corner, just like that. Now I'm only going to make so many, but you'll see this stuff makes a lot. Here's another one. Corner to corner, corner, corner. All right, I'm gonna make 2 more, then we're gonna go fry our tortillas. I'm gonna fry our crab rangoon first. They take no time, just like the chips. And they stay hot a long time. But you can make these ahead of time and then serve them to your guests when they get there. Fry them up right then. So we'll put in 1. These cook quick. Keep them moving around. You want them golden brown, not too dark, otherwise they're not going to be right. See that color? That's the color you want them. Golden brown, and they're crispy. And yes, they are ready to come out. Let's throw in our tortillas. I've cut them just in an X to make them into little triangles like this. And just throw them in. A couple at a time. And they're going to cook up really quick. I'm going to put our appetizers together. Got our crab rangoon. Throw a little sauce dish right there. Some sweet chili sauce. Oh yeah. Our shrimps are through marinating. Put our wonderful cocktail sauce, glass, right next to it. Fill it with your cocktail sauce of choice. Then surround it with shrimp. Take your guacamole, arrange your chips around that. Got a party presentation. Voila. Crab rangoon, shrimp cocktail. And you could give everybody their glass. Couples could share, friends could share. Everyone can get some crab rangoon. Then, of course, everybody can get some dip. And just like that, you got some cool hors d'oeuvres that look high-end for New Year's Eve. And you're thinking, oh, Chris, Uncle Chris, you forgot about the drink. No, I didn't. Forgot my own name, but didn't forget about the drink. We're going to pretend this is champagne. So you're going to do 50-50, 50% 7-Up and 50% champagne. Pour it into a fancy glass like this one I got from Les Store des Dallaires. So you put in 50% your soda, and then the rest you put in your champagne. Take a dollop of your sherbet and put that right in the middle. I'm gonna add 2 because I can do that. I'm greedy. Isn't that right, Dean on the scene?
Yes.
Then, boy, don't be shy you live here.
Hello. Hey, nieces and nephews, Dean on the scene. I'm just coming in from work. How's everyone doing? Happy holidays. I see Uncle Chris is making up his holiday special. Ooh.
Look at this. I garnished it with a lemon, and let me get one up close. Hold on.
Give it to me so I can take a sip.
Oh, yes. And you know what? These are really good. Now, I want you all to like, comment, and subscribe. You're tall. You have to scooch down.
Scoot down. Oh, he didn't tell me. Hey, everyone. Hey, nieces and nephews.
I want you all to like, comment, and subscribe. And write to me at Uncle Chris, the Food Pantry Chef at gmail.com, right?
Yes.
You think I've been nipping, right?
Okay. Oh, you've been sipping the drinks before. This how you came up with that concoction?
I tell you, listen, you are not alone on New Year's. If you're by yourself, no, you're not. You're with me. I'm going to try to go live. I'm going to try. But still, write to me and let me know what you want me to do. Okay?
Dean on the scene, I promise you, I'm going to be here for New Year's. I know I've been making my jambalaya a long time, but I've been working, and me and Uncle Chris, he's my uncle. Thank you, Uncle Chris.
Absolutely.
Okay.
Now, we want to wish you all a safe and happy New Year. And I'm going to see you in the next year because we are going to be saving. And guess what? Uncle Chris is on a mission.
Okay, we both on diets. You see my fat back? Okay, I like food. That turkey, boy, I had too much turkey this year.
Turkey? Okay.
Okay. Happy holidays,
Happy
everyone.
holidays.
Dean on the scene.
No, it's not so.